Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. The day is August 23rd, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the Russell 2000, that's IWM, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only because, as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over and take a quick look at the Russell and see what's happening here. The Russell has gotten back above its R1 level. Not sure if it was there last week or not, but I want to maximize this quarterly chart, and this is looking pretty strong. It did cross 2200 on the future contract. We are above 220 here on IWM. And so the Russell looks like it's going to try, it may try to attack its top again. The question is, can it get a close above this 230 level? Then we're going to be looking for a close, not just a peak, not just a wick, a close above this 240 level. And with the Russell, that could take a couple of weeks yet, because you're talking about 20, almost 40 points. No, you're only talking 20 points. But still, the Russell, as you can see, the candles are not that big. It's a little over 10 points on a candle here. So Russell trying to make 20 points there, that's a couple of weeks. So again, we're looking at that here on this big picture right now. Everything is looking very bullish. Our long-term trades look pretty okay for right now. We just keep trailing them and all with our protection, and we keep selling above them to collect a little interest as this market continues to go up. All right, let's go down to our monthly chart and see what we see here. On this monthly chart, we're getting a hammer formed at a top near a R2 level and all. So this is looking very strong. We did come down below the 10. We did come back up above an R1, back close to an R2 level, and when we get above an R2 and will we turn, actually, this is the monthly, will we actually really turn green next week? If we end up turning green next week, I definitely think the Russell will have a good chance come next month, maybe getting close to an R3 level. As you can see, the Russell very, very seldom crosses an R3 level, but it can get very close to an R3 level come next morning. That's just another 10 points. But the Russell doesn't move that much either, so 10 points is a lot if it does actually do that come next month. I don't expect it in the last week of this month to be moving, over 10 points, but anything can happen in the market. Well, let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. We will zoom in a little bit here, zoom in a little bit here. These have been 3 hot weeks. We had this bearish looking pattern here, then this market gap down here to this 200. On most charts, it's the 50, but on the Russell, it was the 200 it gapped down to and gave us a nice bounce, and we've been on our way back up, and that's why I'm saying we're getting, again, close to tackling this top, the 230 top, which we're $10 away from, and to see if it can actually cross that first. It's going to have a hard time just fighting. It's been having a hard, we will see. Will it have a hard time fighting this supply right here to break this top? That's the question that I see right now on this weekly chart. But we are getting the higher lows, higher highs, and the question is, can we break this top here? Let's go down to the daily chart and wrap this on up. On the daily chart, zoom in a little bit here. See, we enclosed all gaps back here that needed to be closed. This market pushed up pretty good to come today here on this daily chart. And again, it's getting back to this area where this market was consolidating at, and it looked like a lot of traders would think this thing was going to break to the upside, and then I don't know how to trade, because again, these type of patterns I do not like, they don't play out well enough for me. I rather smaller patterns, 3 candles, 2 candles, 4 candle type patterns, but these formations like this, anything can happen. It's just like your morning stars and evening stars. Your morning stars and evening stars, you need I like to have confirmations on those, again, that's where I get to with some things. So some short-term trading, it's just it's a short-term trade. Based on what I see, I'm in and out in less than 5 days. You know, and sometimes I could be in my day trade. I'm in and out in less than a few minutes sometimes. But then I do have some long-term trades, and on the long-term bigger picture, as we can see, this thing is getting near top. So it's that we're at that point where we need to start putting some protection in place. Ever how you want to put your protections in place, if it's selling calls, buying puts, or getting completely out of the market, whatever your plan tells you to do. And that's about it. That's all I really have to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.